Hey there everyone, it's your boy, Dr. 5-Minute Fix. I'm here today to talk about something truly amazing, your body. Did you know your body is like a superhero? It's constantly healing itself in ways you might not even notice. From the tiniest cut to a broken bone, your body has incredible self-healing powers. It's like having a team of microscopic mechanics working 24/7 to keep you in tip-top shape. Today, we're exploring 5 amazing ways your body fixes itself. Stick around, you'll be amazed by number 5. 1. Let's talk about something we've all experienced, getting a boo-boo. You know, a cut or a scrape. First, those tiny heroes in your blood, the platelets, rush to the scene like a microscopic ambulance crew. Their mission? Stop the bleeding. They clump together, forming a clot that acts like a temporary plug. Next up, a protein called fibrin steps in, building a strong, mesh-like structure around the clot. Special cells called macrophages arrive to gobble up any bacteria and debris, preventing nasty infections. Over the next few days and weeks, new skin cells, like tiny artists, meticulously rebuild the damaged area. They work tirelessly, layer by layer, until your skin is as good as new. It's like watching a masterpiece unfold right before your eyes. 2. Now let's talk about bones. They might seem dry and lifeless, but trust me, there's a whole lot of action going on beneath the surface. Bones are living tissue, constantly breaking down and rebuilding themselves. Imagine this, you trip and fall, ouch! You end up with a fracture. Specialized cells called osteoclasts, like tiny demolition experts, arrive at the scene to break down and remove any damaged bone. Osteoblasts, the master builders of your bones, get to work, using calcium and other minerals to create new bone tissue. Over time, the new bone tissue becomes stronger and stronger. The repaired bone often ends up even stronger than it was before. How cool is that? 3. Let's talk about your liver, a true marvel of the human body. This organ is like the ultimate multitasker, working tirelessly to filter your blood, produce bile for digestion, and store energy. But here's the truly amazing part. Your liver has an incredible ability to regenerate. When liver cells are injured, they send out distress signals. These signals alert specialized cells called hepatocytes, which act like the liver's repair crew. They rush to the damaged area, ready to rebuild. Your liver can regenerate up to 70% of its mass. That's like losing a huge chunk of your liver and having it grow back almost completely. But constant exposure to toxins like alcohol abuse can overwhelm its ability to heal. So be kind to your liver. 4. Did you know that your body is constantly replacing old and damaged cells with brand new ones? It's like a never-ending renovation project, happening at a microscopic level. This process, called cellular turnover, is essential for keeping your body healthy and functioning properly. Think of your body as a bustling city. Every day, old buildings are demolished and new ones are constructed in their place. It's the same with your cells. Old, worn-out cells are broken down and recycled, while fresh, new cells take their place. Take your skin, for example. Your entire outer layer of skin is replaced every 2 to 4 weeks. And it's not just your skin that benefits from cellular turnover. Your gut lining renews itself every 3 to 5 days. The cells in your gut lining are constantly exposed to harsh digestive juices and abrasive food particles. So, the next time you're feeling down about getting older, remember this: your body is constantly renewing itself. 5. And now for the grand finale, the most amazing self-healing system of all, your immune system. Think of your immune system as your body's personal army, constantly patrolling and defending you from invaders. These invaders come in many forms: bacteria, viruses, fungi, and parasites. Your immune system is incredibly complex, involving a vast network of cells and organs that work together to keep you healthy. One of the key players in your immune system is the white blood cell. These cells are like the soldiers of your immune army, constantly on the lookout for invaders. Some white blood cells, like neutrophils, are like hand-to-hand combatants, engulfing and destroying invaders. Other white blood cells, like lymphocytes, produce antibodies, which are specialized proteins that target specific invaders. Antibodies act like guided missiles, locking onto the invader and marking it for destruction. Your immune system has memory. Once it encounters an invader, it remembers it. This is how vaccines work. They introduce your immune system to a weakened or inactive form of a virus, allowing it to build up its defenses without getting you sick. Isn't your body amazing? From healing wounds to regenerating organs, your body is a self-healing machine. It's a symphony of intricate processes, all working together to keep you alive and thriving. Which of these self-healing abilities impressed you the most? Drop a comment below and let us know. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new today. Thanks for watching. And remember, keep exploring the world with a sense of wonder and curiosity. Until next time, this is Dr. 5 Minute Fix signing off.